Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is Ruben. Today we are gonna try the famous Pakistani food for the first time in this country. Every person that we are talking to, they say like Pakistani food is the best one in the world, and I am going to try it to judge it by myself. But I actually have confidence. Most of the places that we walk by, they smell amazing. Food looks fantastic. So I'm actually very curious about how this first experience is going to be. My buddy Mats is gonna join us today. So we're gonna have two different approaches to the food. Mine is very Mediterranean. I'm from south of Spain and he's from England. So his taste is shit. Mine one is fantastic. Just think it's very exciting, guys. It's the first time in Pakistan. There's so many people who doesn't like these things too much. I love when the roads are chaotic, because when you walk on the streets, you just take your own path, you do yourself, rather than waiting for the traffic lights. Let's go Pakistan. Alright. You know guys, when I was in Egypt, someone told me you can find order when there's no order. So as long as you keep looking and everyone knows that the moves that you're gonna do, and the same with the cars, then for us walking, we're good to go. So here in Lahore, guys, we are staying in Rose Palace Hotel. But apparently there's more than one of them. We are staying in one that is called Liberty, and we got recommended to go to the other one because tomorrow is going to be a big important match between Pakistan and India. So we wanted to go tomorrow, but the first thing that we felt was like popping in today to see what is the vibe, have some food. And I have to tell you, I have no idea, for you my Pakistani friends, I have no idea how you deal with this heat. It is so hot. I feel like in 3 days my beard is gonna grow as well. I'm gonna look entirely Pakistani. I've seen already a couple of things on the street that I still don't recognize the food. Clearly some juices that must be fantastic, and with this heat I am so sure we're gonna have quite a few of them. But if you guys are from here and you're familiar clearly with the food more than I am, if you have any recommendations of any food that you think is good in Pakistan, please tell me. I am a foodie, I love eating food. I am very curious to try all your food, so please leave it in the comment sections. But I think we are almost arriving to our place. That's right. All right. Hello, my friend. Hello. All right. Maybe the restaurant somewhere here, maybe up there. Oh, here we go. How good, my friend? Up there. All right. So restaurant is up here. Let's see what's up. Ooh, I love the vibration with all the plants and everything here. Assalamu alaikum. Wow, this looks insane. It looks great. Oh my god, I love this. Look at that entrance. Wow. Alright, so we made it here. Let's see where we can find a good spot. Hopefully out of the sun. Oh, a table for two, man? How many persons? Two. Okay, thank you. Get over here. Yo, and I think we found by mistake the paradise, because we got here a massive buffet. Whoa, let me show you first everything. Chicken karahi, chicken masala biryani. Wow, man. Smoked handi, tiwa, chicken dal. Wow, this looks, everything looks incredible, man. Aloo bhujia, palak paneer. Wow. I wonder what would be like the most popular actually in here.
We've got to take the stuff that there's not much of, because it means other
Nadi halem, murchanai, unton kofta.
Wow, man.
Naan. Wow. Look at all of these guys. Wow. The crazy thing of this is not only that, like for all the guys, from everyone who loves the sweeties, look at all of this. My gosh. Jesus. Kema or kebab masala, no? Wow. Well guys, we're trying a little bit of everything. Dal, a little bit here. Try John kebab masala. Oh, I am so excited right now. Chennai, I don't know what else to get. Oh, let's get a naan. Absolutely here, guys. We're gonna try to not overcharge the dish to then go it again. Well, guys, we have a lot going on in this dish, and this is just the first round because we're gonna try everything today. Taking from this piece of chicken, the rest feels very traditional from here. I'm actually really excited to try it. Any flavor in particular so far?
I should have looked what they were called. Whatever this is.
Amazing. Ooh. It's a little spicy, but you can just, it's just so much taste. So much taste. Oh, good. Wow.
Did you get any dal? The dal is good.
Try this one. Perfect amount of spice. Wow, so much flavor. I don't know if this is actually a mistake to try all the flavors at once, because it's exploding in my mouth. Every bite that I give is something completely different. Wow, bro, the spring roll, it's amazing. It's like mango or chutney or something like that. So this is incredible. So good. I'm not gonna lie, this is fantastic, man. Oh my god.
Definitely coming back.
Dude, I had so much, I had such a high expectation about this. This is blowing my mind. Oh my god. Time for a second round, guys. Alright, let's try to get whatever we didn't get before. Let me see. Wow. Wow. Signature pizza. I'm gonna have a try. Let's try the potatoes. What is that?
It's like chickpeas and
So we got some lean meat here, some vegetables, some potatoes, signature pizza, another piece of naan. Guys, this is a paradise. Honestly, wow. Whoa, I am so overwhelmingly full, but
time for more.
dessert. For all the foodies watching these videos, don't judge me, it's my first day here. I'm allowed to cheat from here. I learn a lesson. I will know what things I like, what things I don't. Definitely do like chocolate. Oh guys, the food was amazing, very flavorish. It was a very good introduction to the Kyrgyz food. The gentleman approved. Ben approved as well. We came very late. As I asked you before, guys, give me your recommendation about what is your favorite food here in Pakistan. We'll try to prove it on the next episodes. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the